My name is Faheem. This video about documentary of Jhelum. District Jhelum is a historic and culturally rich area located in the northern part of Pakistan's Punjab province. The district is named after the Jhelum River, which flows through it and provides water for agriculture and other industries. With a population of over a million people, Jhelum is a bustling and vibrant place that is steeped in history and tradition. The history of Jhelum dates back to ancient times, with evidence of human settlement in the area dating back to the Indus Valley civilization. The district has been ruled by various empires and dynasties throughout history, including the Mauryan Empire, the Mughal Empire, and the British Raj. One of the most impressive features of Jhelum is its many historical sites and monuments. The Rohtas Fort is perhaps the most famous of these, with its massive walls and impressive architecture. The fort was built by Sher Shah in the 8th century to protect against the invading Mughals. The Tilla Jogian complex is another popular